Lightning Link, Magic Pearl. I got the hold and spin. I'm at the high limit. Playing dimes, $5 a spin. Let's see if we can get any bigger numbers. Or maybe some words. Ooh, there we go. Come on. Got more pearls. Oh no. You gotta save it. Pearl, pearl, pearl. Drop it. Oh, phew. Come on, we need more pearls. Pearl? Nope. Oh, look at those numbers up there. Come on, pearls. Uh-oh, last spin. We need to save it. Pearl, pearl, pearl. Oh, yeah. Come on, pearl. Oh. Come on, land the pearl. Land it. Pearl. Save it. Oh, that's okay. I only started with $100. Do a couple backup spins. Nice, I'm up 50. Keep going. Let's see the dolphins now. Oh. You know what? I'll play until I hit 100. I don't mind. Oh, someone got something. Oh, one more. Oh, come on. Let's see another bonus. Oh, yes. Nice. Sometimes when you ask, it gives it to you. But we need some words on this one because those are very low. Come on, words. See words? Uh-oh, we gotta save it. Come on, find a ball. Yes. Oh, look, a $50 one. That's nice. Oh, wow, a $20 one. Oh, 2 more balls and we get $167,000. Come on, Pearl. Uh-oh, we only have one more spin. We gotta save it. Come on, Pearl. Pearl. Oh. No, that's a good one. Nice. All right, we doubled up. More than doubled up. Okay, so we won't go below 200 now. Awesome. Come on, let's do it again. Or we could do the dolphins. That's okay. I'd be happy with that. Or a really great line hit. I'd be okay with that too. Oh, let me see one more bonus before I hit 200. One more. Oh. Dolphin, you were supposed to be a pearl. Okay. All right, that's it. I'm doubling up and I'm cashing out. And we're over 50 slots. Thanks for watching.